Hello, Jason Bates here, owner of Electrum Financial, a mortgage broker located right here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona, where a mortgage is not a flip of the coin. So if you're looking to purchase or need to refinance, I would like to be your broker of choice, as I have access to the lowest rates, and who doesn't want that, at the lowest costs in Arizona. And if you don't believe me, call me. The conforming loan limit is set by the Federal Housing Finance Agency. Mortgages under that amount generally have the lowest effective rates, and in some cases, are easier to qualify for. With prices appreciating rapidly in the past year, a big increase in the loan limit would be big news. Prospective buyers would be able to widen their price range in many cases, and homeowners whose loans exceeded the previous loan limit might be able to refinance for a lower rate. So it shouldn't come as much as a surprise then that word has quickly spread about the earlier than normal increase in the conforming loan limit from $548,000 to $625,000. There's just one problem. Nothing has changed yet. The conforming loan limit is still at $548,000 and will continue to be that number until November 30th at the very earliest. It all began with one major lender publishing an announcement that they would accept loan amounts up to $625,000 as high balance conforming loans. High balance loans are already a thing of counties where the home prices are much higher than the national average. This announcement was significant because it extended the high balance eligibility to all counties, even if the ones that had the maximum loan amount at $548,000. A few days later, a few more lenders followed suit with similar announcements. People talked, but apparently it's easier to say, you see, loan limits went up to $625,000, than it is to say, did you hear that a certain lender is currently offering high balance conforming pricing to non-high balance counties? As such, it didn't take long before the industry was abuzz with questions and comments about the new loan limit. Again, there is no new loan limit. This is just an innovative strategy on the part of a few lenders designed to offer their clients more flexibility and to get a leg up on the competition. That's why they're doing it. But why are they able to do it? After all, a conforming loan that doesn't conform to the existing guidelines isn't worth as much to mortgage lenders. The answer is actually surprisingly simple. These lenders know when the loan limit will be announced, and they know that it will almost certainly be higher than $625,000. Here's why. Conforming loan limits are actually updated at the same time every year, immediately following the November release of the FHFA's House Price Index. Specifically, FHFA uses what they call the expanded data, HPI, determining new loan limits as simple as looking at the expanded HPI for quarter 3 2021 and comparing it to quarter 3 2020. Quarter 3's number is scheduled to be released on November 30th. Even if quarter 3 shows no improvement, prices have risen enough in the other 3 quarters to push a new loan limit over $618,000. Those are quarterly numbers, and FHFA actually releases monthly numbers that closely mirror this quarterly data. Incidentally, the first month of quarter 3 was released this week, and it showed a gain of 1.4%, enough to push the loan limit calculation out over $625,000 without any additional adjustments from September or August. So in other words, and to make a very long story short, $625,000 reflects an extremely safe and highly educated guess on the part of only a few mortgage companies about where the new conforming loan limit will land at the end of November. After a volatile week spent moving significantly higher in the rate, the current week began with more of the same. That said, volatility was far more contained, and by Wednesday, bond yields began to fall modestly. As of Friday afternoon, 10-year Treasury yields, a loose indicator for mortgage rate momentum, were at the week's lowest levels. Fortunately, those levels were still higher than last week's highs. So there you have this week's mortgage market at a glance. If you'd like to know more, reach out to me. I'd like to meet you, and that is for sure. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking to purchase or refinance a home in Arizona, I would like to be your broker of choice. So until next time, take care and stay safe.